Welcome to This Just In, a weekly news show highlighting the people and events in Newport News Public Schools, where career readiness opportunities are available to students of all ages. Female members of the Air Force adjusted their flight patterns to spend time with aspiring female aviators at Aviation Academy. Several career pathways within the Air Force were represented by the ladies from Langley Air Force Base. These included combat pilots who perform drills every day to be ready to defend our country, a mental health technician who supports the emotional needs and well-being of service personnel, and a maintenance team member who keeps aviation equipment in working order. As the women rotated through small groups of students, they told about their educational journeys, which prepared them for the jobs they presently enjoy. They also related their thrilling experiences gained during initial training and continuing as part of their current job activities. Students asked specific questions about the day-to-day routine of each job. There were also discussions about the advantages of being in the Air Force and the opportunities for women going into the armed forces. Each guest spoke about her pride in supporting and defending our country while doing a job she loves. Crittenden Middle School hosted a Career in College Day to prepare students for their futures beyond Newport News Public Schools. Crittenden's counseling department organized the school-wide event, inviting more than 70 professionals representing a range of careers, colleges, and trade schools. All around Crittenden, career presenters brought tools, vehicles, uniforms, and free handouts to help the students visualize the requirements of their professions. In the cafeteria, Newport News Shipbuilding allowed students to rotate through a number of career fields, while the Newport News Police Department let students tour their mobile command post and interact with their highly trained K-9 unit. In each classroom, students were equipped with questionnaires to assist with career discussions and note-taking for future reference. This is the largest Career in College Day that Crittenden has hosted, allowing more students to learn about the number of options available to them after graduation from high school. National businesses and organizations brought their resources together to create an informative engineering career day for high school students.
Budding engineers from all 6 Newport News high schools gained first-hand experience with cutting-edge technology and mind-blowing science at this year's annual Engineering Career Days. The event took place at NASA Langley Research Center in partnership with Newport News Shipbuilding, Jefferson Lab, and the Peninsula Engineering Council. High school students from across Hampton Roads were invited to spend a day talking with local engineers and scientists, using state-of-the-art tools and gaining a wealth of knowledge about STEM careers. Professionals from Jefferson Lab, Newport News Shipbuilding, and NASA gave students an in-depth glimpse into their daily tasks and groundbreaking projects. During this interaction, students were encouraged to ask questions and received amazing visual explanations to stoke their career ambitions. With inspiration sky high, the students put their knowledge to work by participating in an engineering design challenge. Student teams seated with Jefferson Lab built a functioning wind-powered machine to lift objects off the floor. Newport News Shipbuilding let students work together to build floating vessels out of duct tape. And students with NASA designed and built a lunar module capable of making a controlled landing. For students, participation in Engineering Career Days will help transform their hopes and dreams into future careers.
At Nelson Elementary, students are starting their career readiness pathways as early as kindergarten. Professional school counselor Christina Buckingham set up bins packed full of outfits, gadgets, and tools representing various career fields. During the career exploration experience, kindergarten students rotated to each bin, dressing up for certain careers and handling the important tools that allow professionals to complete their day-to-day tasks. This relevant, hands-on experience allowed some of our youngest students to begin formulating very realistic plans for their futures, while exploring the range of options placed before them and dreaming big about possible careers. Thursday, April 12th, is Freshman Welcome Night for all current 8th graders and their families. The event starts at 6 p.m., and you'll be able to take a tour of your high school, meet administrators and teachers, explore clubs and sports, and learn about courses, career pathways, and certifications. To determine which high school you'll attend, visit the school system's website or contact your current school. Here's an opportunity for you to enjoy lunch and entertainment while learning about after-school and summer programs, college applications, and career readiness. It's the Newport News Public Schools Family Forum and Resource Fair, and it's free for NNPS families. The event takes place on Saturday, April 21st from noon to 2 p.m. at South Morrison Family Education Center on Adams Drive in Newport News. Thanks for joining us for this week's edition of This Just In. And check out more fun and informative videos at nnpstv.com to see the many great things happening in Newport News Public Schools. Thanks for watching.